Hello, my name is Chris, and in today's video, I am going to show you what your owner sees on TenantCloud. So anytime you manage a property for a third-party owner, whether that is an LLC that you have ownership in, or if it's a completely independent third-party owner, they're going to have their own private login, and they will be able to view any of the properties that you have assigned to them, as well as a monthly report on that rental property, as well as your management information to contact you and reach out to you. They also have the ability to get a rentability report that shows a lot of information on the local market that the rental property is located in, as well as rental trends and comparisons by zip code. And they can order this report and get a customized report to help them make better and more informed decisions on how to potentially price their rental property, or just to get an idea of how their rental property is positioned in the local marketplace, not necessarily the greater state or national marketplace. They can also view any maintenance requests that have come in for the rental property in the event that you have chosen to share this information with them. Not all owners want to have that granular, detailed day to day information. A lot of property managers manage properties specifically so that the owners do not have to handle or view that information. However, there are some more hands on owners who may want you to share the maintenance requests for their properties with them. So the option is there if you or they want to utilize it. They can also view reports on TenantCloud, so they can review reports that you have chosen to share with them. Any of these reports can be hidden on your end so that the owner does not have access to these various reports. However, if you want to eliminate a lot of back and forth and last minute requests for reports to be sent to the owner, this is a great way to share those reports with them so that they can access it at any time, anywhere that they have an internet connection, and they can pull up reports on their own time. In addition, they can contact our help center in the event that they have any support and tech related questions. Our team is happy to assist them. They can simply submit a support ticket. They can also visit our help center, which will take them to the owner portal where they can type in keywords to get assistance with utilizing any of the features and functionality that are found on the owner portal. They can also chat with you via the TC Messenger so that all of the communication is kept in one place. They can place attachments in that conversation as well. And of course, they can go to their settings menu in the upper right corner where they can set up their online payments, customize their notification settings, edit their profile, update the security, or view all files that are associated with their account. They can also view notifications from the upper left-hand corner. This is anytime anything important happens in their account, they can view it here. And that is what your owner sees from their profile on TenantCloud. To get started for free, just go to tenantcloud.com and click sign up today.